We start a new tutorial today. It's about project management for infrastructure projects. It's a very vast subject. Let's start today with the ABCD of the project management. To manage a project, first we should know what is the project all about. What are the components of the projects? How these components are interlinked? From where these components can be sourced? Who can manufacture or produce these components? Who can bring these components to my project location? How I will unload it? Who will erect it? And so on. The questions are endless, but more the questions you have and the right answers to those, that will help you to do a proper planning. Proper planning is the first part of project management. More the micro level breakdown of each activity is done, you have a meticulous planning. It is called work breakdown structure. Once you have the proper planning, then you know that what you have to manage and what you control. For example, I want to go to a mall and meet someone in the morning at 8 o'clock. So that's my end target. For the planning, what I have to do? That if I have to reach there at 8, first I decide whether I do my own conveyance or I take public conveyance, what time it takes from my place to reach there, and work backward. What time I wake up, how much time I need to have my morning tea, then how much time I need to get ready, and so on and so forth, so that I ensure that by 8 o'clock I am there. So every activities are planned and timeline set. That is called planning with the work breakdown structure. Once the planning is done, management and control is basically monitoring that every activity is done properly in the right time so that the end result is met. There are many institutions and professional colleges offering project management courses. However, what I have observed that when the engineers come out from those colleges and they are given the real charge to manage project, they struggle. This is because of initial lack of experience. Nothing to be worried about it. Use your first principle and understand every work breakdown structure. Simplify the task. Once you have all the clarity about the task and the interlinking, use all the techniques you have learnt into the college for a successful management of the project. A project manager has a very vital role in infrastructure project, right from inception till its realization. I would prefer to divide the project management in 3 stages. Stage 1, the inception stage. That means when the developer brings some idea on the table until such idea is converted into an implementation stage. And the second stage is the real implementation stage. That means when the developer decides to go ahead with the project with a tight timeline and a budget, defined budget, and from there till the project is successfully completed and handed over for the intended use for operation. The third stage, I will say, is the initial phase of O&M, operation and maintenance, setting up of the effective O&M structure, and then smooth transition. First things first, let's understand what all are involved in the initial stage of inception of the project. It starts with the rolling out of any idea by the management and continues till the project viability is ascertained, project financings are arranged, consultants, suppliers, contractors all are tied up, all key permits and licenses are obtained or applied for. As we progress with our tutorials, we will discuss the project management activities for all these items progressively. In the next session, we will discuss the project management activities for the initial studies to ascertain the techno-commercial viability of the project. Have a good day.